Hi there. Often it's the little things that really help people and save them lots of time. So I'm going to show you a tip about filling in the gaps when you've got a lot of empty rows and how to do it really quickly. Let me share my screen with you. As you can see, I've got some gaps and I'd like to fill them in. So rather than doing a long way round, what I'll do is just click into the data, Control and A to select it all, Control and G to go to, and you can see the go to box here. If we click on the special button and highlight the blanks, now in A3 I'm going to just put an equal sign and refer to the cell above it, A2, which has got the name in, Gillian Allen, and I'm just going to hold control while I enter. Boom. Job done. I hope that helps somebody out there.